Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create virtual environment in Python. And also, I will show you how to set up virtual environment to Visual Studio Code. First open the folder where you want to create virtual environment. Second, open command prompt. You can open the command prompt by selecting the path. Now type cmd, now press enter. This will open the command prompt. To create a virtual environment, type the following command: python -m venv, followed by name of the virtual environment. In my case, I will create the name of the virtual environment as my env. Now press enter to execute the command. Now you can notice that a folder automatically created with the name my env, which is our virtual environment. This is how we can create the virtual environment. Let's see how to activate the virtual environment. Press // name of the virtual environment, in my case it is my env. Next, provide the folder name, scripts, / and then activate. Press enter to active the virtual environment. Cool. With that, we have successfully activated the virtual environment. Now the next step is we will set up this virtual environment to Visual Studio Code. For that, let us open the Visual Studio Code editor. Once you opened VS Code, then go to File, click on Open Folder. Now select the folder where you have create the virtual environment. Here you can notice a folder name my env, which is our virtual environment. In this folder, let us create the file name as main.py. Immediately after creating the file, you can notice some processing and virtual environment get activated. Also open terminal by click on terminal and new terminal. Even here you notice virtual environment got activate. Hope you like our video and your problem solves. Please do subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.